In this video, I'll show you how to train ChatGPT to rewrite AI-generated text so it sounds genuinely human and conversational. I start by entering a detailed prompt to establish the AI's new role as a natural human writing assistant. This instruction tells the model to avoid robotic structures and overly formal language, focusing instead on a flow that sounds like a real person wrote it. The AI quickly acknowledges the task, confirming it will now prioritize natural sentence variation and conversational phrasing while maintaining the original intent of any text I provide. Next, I paste a sample paragraph about the importance of effective communication in the workplace to see how the AI handles the transformation. I ask for a rewrite that feels more authentic and removes the stiff, academic tone of the original text. The result is a much warmer version that describes communication as the heart of any strong relationship, making the advice feel personal and much more engaging than a standard business manual. To explore more variety, I then ask the AI to take that same paragraph and rewrite it 5 more times using specific human writing techniques. I'm looking for different styles, including a conversational opener, a personal observation, a punchy version for emphasis, a rhetorical question, and an everyday analogy. The AI produces 5 distinct takes that really showcase its flexibility and ability to mimic human thought patterns. It creates everything from a friendly, let's be honest, opening to a clever version that uses an analogy about giving directions to explain how clear communication works. These results show how easily you can transform dry, repetitive information into something that feels uniquely human and polished for any audience. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.